Dongguan China was founded in 2008 with almost 12 years experience in commercial kitchen industry. Jingcheng now is a well-known commercial kitchen equipment manufacturer with R&D team, manufacturing, installation, pre-sale, and after-sales service. Our factory is 20,000 square meters. We have more than 100 employees. Modernized facilities are widely used in the factory, such as laser cutting machine, CNC punching machine, CNC bending machine, precision testing devices. We obtain many patents throughout the induction heating industry. Our factory is ISO 9001:2015 certified, and products passed many certification. CZC is our own brand which was established in 2005. We have 4 product lines for commercial kitchen. 1. Electric induction cooking range. 2. Commercial chiller and freezer. 3. Filter integrated exhaust hood. 4. RO water purification system. Our commercial heating equipment efficiency is up to 90%. Users can save a lot of money and energy compared with traditional gas cooking. Besides, our automated products also can help users save their labor cost, such as our airlift noodle cookers, automatic frying machines, auto-lift-up deep fryers. We provide total solutions for food service, which includes hotel, restaurant, school, hospital, catering, staff canteen, central kitchen, and chain restaurants. Quality is our first priority, each product being tested before ship out from our factory. With our expertise, we got many praise from our clients. We established long-term relationship with many distributors all over the world.